create new WeChat account, we need to go to WeChat app and click sign up with mobile. Okay, so we need to fill name of WeChat that we need to create, phone number, password, and after that we need to tick on I have read and accept the term or service, and then next. Okay, let's see. Okay, next. And we will see privacy policy. Okay, if you have much time you can read about it, but for me I'm already read it, so I skip it and I click I have read and agree. Okay, next. Okay, so we need to confirm it. Okay, next, start. Okay everyone, let's see step by step. Okay, and then we need to use an email to confirm new WeChat account. Okay, now I use my email that I was signed Google account already. Okay. Okay, so after that we need to go to our Gmail.
Okay, now I go to the other phone to confirm.
So please wait.
My email.
Okay, let's see. Okay, after that we go to Safari in our phone and go to Google to confirm. In the Google we need to sign email that we use to confirm our WeChat. Okay, now we click here and see Gmail, and then we click Gmail. Okay, so we will see WeChat team send message to Gmail to confirm. Okay, please wait a minute. Okay, now we see WeChat team send a message, and then click here and we scroll down to find the word. Please click here to confirm, and then we click here. Okay, now our WeChat have been verified complete, so we need to go our WeChat to continue to do it. Okay. Okay, now I click on I have complete verification. Okay, click here. We will confirm it. Okay, let's see it. Okay, now we need to add a WeChat user to scan. This last one we need is, okay, let's see, contact a WeChat user who meet the following condition. They do not have to be your WeChat friend. Okay. Okay, the WeChat that we need to confirm, we need WeChat user that have used over 1 month ago. Okay, so we take the WeChat to scan this QR code. It will be confirmed. Okay, that's it. Okay, I scan already. Okay, successfully. Okay, back up and we need to mistake. Okay, this code. Okay, already submit. Okay, now our chat have been created. Okay. Okay, now we chat already created, and we need to add friend, new friend, and channel profile. Okay, but just remember, after we create, we need to add friend more than 5 friends, and there need to be used over 1 month ago, because after we create maybe 1 week or 1 month, it will be load, it will be need to confirm again, so we need my friend to confirm it. Okay, now I change, I use profile picture. Okay, this is my phone, sorry, my brother phone. Okay, now I use the photo. Okay, and this WeChat also him, not me. Okay, now it is complete. Okay, thank you.